Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you all how we can enable track changes on our Microsoft Word document. Track changes does exactly what it sounds like. It tracks the changes on your document, and this is really helpful when you're collaborating with others and you want to be able to see all the changes that are taking place in the document so you or others can decide, do I want to keep those changes or do I want to revert it back? So to enable it, we just have to head over here to Review, come over to Track Changes, and now anything that takes place, it'll show up as a pending change before it's actually going to be put forth into the document. So there's also some customization that we can do too. If we come over here to show markup, if we go over here to balloons, we can decide, do we want to show the revisions inline or do we want to show them in balloons? Or do we only want to show the formatting in balloons? So there's some customization that you can take advantage of there. Also, we can decide how we want the markup to show. Do we want it to show as simple, all, no markup, or original? So you guys can play around with those and see which of those you prefer. I'll leave mine as all markup. And what I'm going to also select is reviewing pane. What this is going to do, rather than me having to click on things throughout the document to see what the change was, I'm going to actually see over here on the left what the revisions are that are taking place. In addition to that, when I selected track changes, I can decide, do I want to track the changes for everyone or just myself? So let's start making some changes and see what happens. So let's change this header color to red. Okay, so that showed up. And let's go ahead and let's delete an entire paragraph and see what happens. Okay, so an entire paragraph has been deleted, but you see it's still technically on the document because it hasn't been accepted as a change yet. So we'll go ahead and review these changes here shortly. And the last thing we'll do, let's just come down here and let's add some text. You can see it's showing that I added some paragraphs. So we'll just put the new paragraph at the bottom of the page. It's more of a sentence than it is a paragraph, but that's fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and review all of these changes, and we're going to decide, do we want to keep them or do we want to reject them? So let's go ahead and we can select next or previous, and it'll go ahead and jump to the different changes and we'll see what they are. So this one here, if we, it's my Grammarly getting in the way. But you can see right now it has this highlighted. So we're going to go ahead and decide, do we want to keep this or do we want to reject it? So right here we see off on the left, it says I went ahead and I formatted this to red. We're going to say, okay, that's fine. We can go ahead and accept that. Next thing that it's going to do, it's going to jump to the next revision that had taken place, which is the deletion of this paragraph. So we can see over here on the left, but we can also see what's going on here. So we can, the strike through is indicating that it's been deleted. I don't want to delete this paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reject it. If you click down here, what you can do is you can also specify some different rejection options as well. So you can do reject and move to next, reject change, reject all changes. So there's some other options there too, but I'm just going to reject this individual change. Okay. And it looks like we also have these new paragraphs here at the bottom. So I can decide, do I want to reject those changes or do I want to keep them? So I'm just going to get rid of those. Okay. And now this one, do we want to make sure it's highlighted? The new paragraph at the bottom of the page, do we want to keep that or do we want to delete it? Let's go ahead and delete it. We don't want that to be on the page. So we'll hit reject. And it's gone. And you can see all of the track changes have now been reviewed. And you can decide if you want to keep this on, or you're going to continue to track changes, or you can go ahead and turn it off.